In this video, we're going to look at some of the text formatting options available in OneNote. In particular, we'll look at how you can change your font style, you can change your font size, add some bolding and underlining, highlighting, change the text color, and perhaps use some bullets and numbering. Okay, so to start with, let's look at how we can change the font. So in this example, we're using the Calibri font. Now, if I select all of my text that I want to change, and of course click on the drop down arrow here and choose from the many fonts available. In this case I want to try Arial, so I'm going to click on Arial, and that's it, that's what I want. And next I'm going to change the size. I just want it a little bit larger. I could go up to 12 or even just a little bit up to 11.5. That just makes it a little bit bigger and easier to read for me, so I'm going to leave it at that. Next I'm going to add some bolding. So here I've got World War I was predominantly called the World War or the Great War. I'm going to bold that one and also this one. And similarly, I can underline like so. Click on the U button. Some people might find it easier if they're going to highlight rather than underline. So if I click on or select the information I want highlighted, and here's my highlighter up here, so I can just use it as is or choose a different color by clicking on the drop down. Okay, I'm going to use the yellow that's already chosen, so I'll click here. There I go, I highlighted it. Also we can change text color, which at times can be useful. So I'm going to select a sentence, and here's my text color. Once again, I can click to choose the one that's already chosen there, or I can click on the drop down arrow and choose from the theme colors, the standard colors, or I can go into the palette for more colors. I'm just going to choose a red here. So there we go, I've changed the color. I can also turn the text into a bulleted list by selecting all of the paragraphs and then clicking on the bullets button. Okay, or I could choose different bullets from the drop down list, and there's lots of different bullets available there. I could also change it into a numbered list. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, there's lots of other choices that you can make there, or you can just choose the default one, the 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. And I can also indent a paragraph by clicking on the indent button. And now it becomes a sub-level of the numbering system. So now I've got 1 and A. If I indent this one, it will become B. If it creates another A like mine has done, and this can happen at the top level as well, what's happened is that it's not recognized that there's an extra space between the paragraphs, so it's restarted the numbering system. That's easy to fix. If I just click at the end of the previous paragraph, press delete, it becomes a B. Just press enter again to get my extra number in, and it's kept the B there. If I click away, that other B will disappear. So there we go. It's now a numbered list with sub-levels. Okay, so that's it. We've looked at how we can format our text using font changes, size changes, bold, underline, highlight, color, bullets, and numbers.